New strides are being made to address the nationwide mental health crisis that has been made by a worsened pandemic. This week, a new suicide prevention hotline is set to launch, making it easier for people to reach out for help.
Fox 15's health reporter Mandy Rock is joining us live in the medical district tonight. Mandy, this has the potential to help a lot of people who are struggling right now in our community.
Yeah, it sure does. And starting this Saturday, people who are in mental distress will only have to dial 3 numbers, 988, to reach the National Suicide Prevention Hotline. It's much easier to remember than that long 1-800 number that was previously used.
With the pandemic, with the crime, with just everything that's going on right now, it's like
one thing after another.
Yeah, one thing after another.
Adrienne Walker of Memphis knows times are tough. That's why she said there needs to be more of a focus on mental health and the resources that are available.
There's so many people suffering from mental illnesses but don't have or don't know who to contact in reference to getting some kind of help.
That's why the new National Suicide Prevention Hotline is making its debut on Saturday, July 16th. People in mental distress can dial or text 988 to reach trained counselors to help them with a mental health emergency.
To be able to have a 3-digit number in the same way when we call 911 for all other types of emergencies, it makes sense.
Melissa Donahue is a mental health expert with Baptist Memorial Healthcare. She said people who call the hotline will be offered the same services as when they called the 1-800 number, which was originally launched in 2004.
Having a long phone number to remember is obviously, the last thing that for someone who's in a crisis to have to try to remember.
Donahue believes the pandemic is shining new lights on the importance of mental health and wants people who are struggling to know they are not alone.
You may be struggling now, but today doesn't define the rest of your life. And so try to look forward to some things that you have going on in the future where you want to be and realize that, today doesn't define you.
And according to the CDC, the overall suicide rate nationwide has increased almost 30% since 2000. And we want to remind anyone who may be struggling that there is help. The Lifeline's 1-800 number still works. And starting this Saturday, you can dial or text that 988 number for help. Back to you.
Okay, thank you so much. That 988 number is very, very important. That's Fox 15's Mandy Rock reporting for us tonight.